Hey guys, this is a video I'm doing right now. This is a Ryzen Master. I'm actually asking for suggestions from the PC community. I hope there's going to be some suggestions. Hey guys, this is Richard from JIUSHARK. What I wanted to do is a video on Ryzen Master for Ryzen 3000 Zen 2 processors. I wanted to ask, is anyone here actually potched about with it? I wanted to know because I'm trying to work out how to get a stable overclock on my Ryzen 3600. I wanted to ask, obviously, any suggestions on how to get it done? At the moment I'm kind of stuck because I can get 3.225 out of it, which you can see by there. I can get out of it. Now the volts is 1.375. now I'm really trying my hardest here, trying to get it. Now if I run Cinebench R20, now you can see here it will run right there, and then as you can see, and temps are 66.1. it hovers around, but as you can see, look, see 1.375 volts at 4.225 clock speed. Now I want to ask people who has actually dealt with Ryzen Master, because I'm struggling a little trying to find the best performance gain. Now I've tried with Precision Boost and I find to be having better results with that than I am with Ryzen Master. Is anyone got any suggestions? Any suggestions at all? So if you have, please leave a comment down below and I will take any suggestions that you may have for it. If there's any glare or anything in the camera, don't worry, I'll be adjusting it during the editing process. I just wanted opinions on people, because there's a lot of people here that are doing different types of benchmarks. I've watched Jay's 2 cents, watched Linus, but they're not actually saying how to. I've been looking for an how-to video on Ryzen, but it's quite hard. Now by here, now I had a 3434. Now the points I've had before, which I set at basic stock, was 3572. Now if apply, now it will set it to 3. It's weird, really weird. Now let's go to CPU bench. Now as you can see, there we go. 4.1 gigahertz. I don't understand how Ryzen's doing it. Now with Intel, I was actually alright with Intel. The highest I got. Now I'm really struggling trying to find the best compromise to performance. For some reason, when I go from stock with their Precision Boost to 4.25, I'm getting worse performance. Anyone having that problem, please let me know in the comments below. This is Welshie from JIUSHARK. I hope you enjoy the video. Please let me know. Thank you. Bye.